Yo, welcome to the Cooking General. Hey man, y'all know the holidays coming up, Thanksgiving, and you know Christmas stuff coming up, and a lot of people, you know what I'm saying, they say they tired of eating dressing for Thanksgiving, and more people switch to gumbo. I heard even some people go to pizzas and stuff like that there. But I'm gonna show you how to make a dressing that's a little bit different that will take you through your Thanksgiving. And man, I'm talking about good. Now, it's Cooking General, you know what I'm saying? I'm always doing something different. I'm doing different recipes. Anytime I cook something, it's gonna be different. Now, I'm gonna show you how to do a steak dressing. And they're talking about good. Now, come in, let me show you how to put that together. Now, check this out here. Now, we're going to use our basic seasoning, our salt and pepper. Now, we're going to use some olive oil to get our steak in. Now, we got our steak alive season. We're going to see our steak down with it because we're going to brown it before. And I'm going to show you how to do that there. We're going to need beef broth. And we're going to need some cream of mushrooms. Now, you ain't got to use cream of mushrooms, you know what I'm saying, if you don't want to. But we got cream of celery, too. And we're going to make some cornbread. You know, we're going to just use packed cornbread. I can make it from scratch, but I'm going to use regular cornbread, butter, couple of eggs, onion, bell pepper, jalapeno. Now, you can also serve this here with cranberry sauce too. It's just gonna be like a traditional dressing, except it's gonna use steak. And these here are the steak that I got, and I got it on sale. But you can use any kind of steak you want to, but I'm using this kind because I like a tougher steak and ground meat. And it's gonna be all beef. And oh, wait a minute. We're gonna spank them right there. Man, you talking about a good dressing. This steak dressing here, hey, it's gonna be like nothing you ever had. So tell people, hey, have your chicken dressing, have your turkey dressing. I'm having steak and dressing. And then if they say why, tell them, ask somebody. All right, welcome back to the Cooking General. Hey, we're about to get this thing going. Come on, now, let's do this right. Now check it out. Now, I put my seasoning here. So I got my steak alive seasoning on my steak. Just a little olive oil. All you're gonna do is just shear it. Like that there. You're gonna shear your steak. Okay, now, my cornbread mix, follow the package directions, mix your cornbread up. Oven set for 350, put your cornbread off in there. I'm gonna use 1 can of cornbread. Well, now, I got my jalapenos, my bell pepper, my onions. Now, this here gonna go in there when I get ready to do this, my ground meat. Now, I already spanked that ground meat. You see that big old dent in it? Spank that. But anyway, when this steak get done, I'm gonna take it out. I'm gonna get ready, just get it ready, and it's gonna put my ground meat and my vegetables in there while my cornbread is going. So man, then we're gonna say these are canned goods for later. Cooking Journal, man, keep checking back, man. It's gonna be real good. Man, you better ask somebody. Cooking Journal, quick tip, check this out. Oh shit. But anyway, look at that. Got the steak there. It's all brown. Let's see, that's what I want. I want to keep that brown. See, I'm finna take this here out. The steak coming out. Now there's tender bites. They are tender. And that there, let me try one, make sure. Oh yeah, it's tender. Oh, hot too. And I'm gonna keep that same, yeah. And I'm gonna add my vegetables and my ground meat without even dumping none of this there. I'm gonna keep that seasoning, yeah. Cooking General quick tip. Telling you how to make it good. Ask somebody. Welcome back to the Cooking General. Hey, check this out here. Now come here. Now, I got my steak out. See that? Got it strained out. And put it out there. Now, see, you want to keep all this stuff in there. That's the good stuff there. Now, what you want to do, the jalapenos, bell pepper, and onions. You want to go ahead and add that to that. Now, get all of it out of there, too. You know what I'm saying? If you bought it, get it all out of there. All that out of there. I ain't leaving a damn crumb. There we go. Now what you want to do, you add your ground meat. And you go like, well, nope. Just you add your ground meat. All to it. That's all your seasoning and all your flavor. And now, we're gonna go ahead and brown this here. Off in that steak alive season and everything. We got cornbread on in the oven. And man, it's gonna come out good. I'm telling you, Cooking Journal, boy, you better ask somebody. Okay, welcome back to the video. Hey, we back at this still steak dressing good. Now, man, I'm telling you, this. Now, come on, let me just show you. I have to show you. Now, check it out. Now, you can substitute cream of mushroom with cream of chicken if you want to, but I'm using cream of mushroom now. And you know what I'm saying? I already got my cream of celery in there. See, that's a steak. And then my cornbread already broke up. I got it done and broke up in there. Now, this is ground meat. Now, see, I'm not going to even drain this here because I want all the seasoning off in there with it. I'm going to put all this in there with it. Boy, you talking about a steak dressing that is so dang good you wouldn't even know what to do. Now, let's get all that out of there. At least much as we can. And now, we're going to mix this up. Now, I bake my dressing, my cornbread, in this pan. And I'm gonna put it back in this pan right here. When I get this mixed up, I'm gonna put it back in there. We're gonna put it in the oven, and y'all come back. I'm gonna show you. Man, this is gonna be a steak dressing that if you don't know, now you know. What is it? If you don't know, now you know. Ask somebody. Okay, cooking gentlemen, quick tip. This is a quick tip that I forgot to tell you. Now, we're gonna be adding this beet broth pretty slowly to try to get it, you know what I'm saying, so we have some flavors in it. And so I'm gonna add my beet broth slowly. I also add a little of this poultry season to it too. So maybe about a teaspoon of it. That's about it. And then I'm adding my beet flavor in there. And I'm gonna get it, and I'm trying to put it in the pan. And I wanna make sure I get it stirred up right. So that's just a cooking gentleman quick tip. Trying to show you behind the scenes because they say show you everything. So now, yeah, see everything. Ask somebody. Okay, there it goes right there in the pan. That's right there. Now, I'm gonna put my parchment paper over it. I'm just using my parchment paper. Then, I'm gonna go over it with foil. Right there. Real good. Got my oven set for 350. And there we go. And just let it ride. Cooking general. Ask somebody. Okay, now we had it here about an hour on 350. Now we're gonna pump the temperature up to about 400. And now we're gonna brine it. You can put the parchment paper will fall off. Okay. There we go. Now just go and brine it. Put it back in. And let's get to the conclusion of this video. Oh, welcome back to the Cooking Joe. Hey, got it finished. Now, this steak and dressing, man, it's gonna be the most important thing you ever learn in your life when it comes to you tired of chicken and when you tired of turkey. Come on, let me show you this steak and dressing. Man, look at here. Man, you got your ground meat in there. You got the steak. Right now, it's still hot. You know what I'm saying? I'm just showing you. It's still moist, still tender. And look at that steak. Real hot, but man. And that beef broth, that really brings it out. Now, there's a dressing that you can do. I know you're tired of doing chicken. I know you're tired of doing turkey. They get steak dressing. A steak dressing. I'm a cooking general. I can do 175 of these